Hey Patreons, how are you? This is April 2025's exclusive lesson, and we're going to learn how the solo in Sympathy for the Devil goes today. Sound first. I am on the bridge pickup. I've basically dialed the treble on the amp all the way up. I've got an overdrive pedal that's driving the amp. I've dialed that all the way up as well, and I've dialed the bass all the way down on everything. So the sound we get is like it's pretty spanky. We're going to be playing in this pattern, Okay, so here's riff number one. Now,